The Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker, the best compact bread maker of 2024. Fill your home with the delightful aroma of homemade bread and enjoy freshly baked goodies anytime with this compact and slim kitchen appliance. It takes up very little space on your countertop while offering a host of features. You can bake various types of bread and cakes or make dough and jam. With easy-to-follow video instructions and a recipe book, you'll quickly become a baking pro, impressing friends and family alike. This bread maker is perfect for small spaces. Occupying less than a foot of countertop, it can produce a kilo of bread in under 2 hours. Want fresh bread for breakfast? The 13-hour delay timer ensures you wake up or come home to freshly baked bread. It's ideal for singles, small families, or anyone with a small kitchen. Choose from the 3 bread textures: plain, firm, or soft. The Zojirushi Mini Bread Maker excels at developing gluten, and its dough cycle allows you to finish baking in your oven if desired. Make dough for pizza crust, dinner rolls, cinnamon rolls, buns, artisan bread, sourdough, or even brownies. The possibilities are endless. This versatile machine also makes fruit jam. The free Quick Start video makes learning easy and fun. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker features advanced pulleys and belts and control circuitry derived from award-winning models. Its design ensures superior mixing for well-baked bread with excellent texture. The internal dimensions of the pan are 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches with a depth of 5.7 inches, and the BPA-free pan lining ensures safety. Additionally, the 10-minute power cut memory prevents your bread from being ruined during a power outage. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is your ticket to baking perfection in a compact size. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Now, if you're willing to spend a bit more, we recommend the Breville Custom Loaf Maker, our top premium bread maker for 2024. Breville, known for its high-quality home appliances, excels in the bread making arena with this sleek stainless steel machine. It bakes perfectly even loaves and offers several unique features. Unlike most budget models that produce tall, cylindrical loaves, the Breville uses a standard horizontal pan, ideal for making sandwich-friendly slices. The sturdy non-stick baking tray easily clicks into place inside the machine, and the control wheel is user-friendly and intuitive. A viewing window and internal light let you monitor your dough as it rises and bakes. One standout feature is the collapsible mixer blade, which folds flat after mixing so it doesn't bake into the bread. There's also an automated dispenser for mix-ins like raisins, nuts, or seeds. High-end models like the Breville start with a preheating stage to bring ingredients to the optimal temperature for yeast activation. The Breville settings such as crunchy loaf bread, whole wheat bread, and gluten-free bread are easily adjustable on the LCD screen. You can also choose different loaf sizes and darkness levels. For the adventurous baker, the Breville is programmable with up to 9 custom presets for specific recipes or conditions. Additionally, the Breville is lighter than comparable models like the Cuisinart and Zojirushi, making it easier to move around your kitchen or store away. With its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design, the Breville Custom Loaf Maker stands out as a top choice for anyone serious about their bread making. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, let's talk about the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker, which takes our gold medal for Best Overall Bread Maker in 2024. Zojirushi is renowned for its high-quality kitchen products, and the Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker lives up to that reputation. This powerful machine delivers exceptional results even with non-traditional recipes. Adventurous bakers will appreciate the customizable settings, while those sticking to classic recipes will love its standard-shaped loaves, perfect for sandwiches. Zojirushi recommends adding ingredients in a specific order: liquids first, yeast last. Following this, the bread consistently comes out with great texture and appearance. Measuring 10.5 by 18 by 12.88 inches and weighing 24 pounds, this bread maker is quite large. However, its size allows it to produce long rectangular loaves. A unique feature is that the kneading process pauses when you lift the lid, letting you adjust or check the dough without worrying about the paddle spinning. The double heater design ensures a faster baking process and creates a crispy golden crust. It also has 2 automatic mixers to evenly incorporate all the ingredients. Though larger and heavier than some other models, its ability to make delicious bread and its superior design make it stand out. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus is ideal for those who want to take their bread making to a professional level. Whether you're baking for yourself or planning to sell your creations, this bread maker is one of the best options available. Its combination of advanced features and reliable performance make it a top choice for serious bakers. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best.